Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So before we proceed to our next video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell to keep you updated to our latest videos. So you might be wondering, what exactly is our topic for today? So now without further ado, our topic for today is all about database. Now, the first question to be asked, what is
Crush.
crush? So, crush is a feeling that you can feel towards a Huh? I'm tired of these cats. So, as usual, take two. Open the lights. Ready the camera. And action! Hello guys, so once again our topic for today is all about the database. So what is database? A database is an organized collection of data. The data is typically organized to model aspects of reality in a way that supports processes requiring information. An example for this is library or bank. Now, database management systems are computer software applications that interact with the user, other applications, and the database itself to capture and analyze data. Well-known database management systems include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, Sybase, and IBM Database 2. Now, what is SQL? SQL or Structured Query Language. Structured Query Language or SQL is a domain-specific language used in programming and designed for managing data held in Relational Database Management System or RDBMS. It is also used for stream processing in a Relational Database Stream Management System or RDSMS. Overall, relational databases use relations to store the data. This data then matched within the dataset. It is used for the data manipulation and management. SQL is used to insert, query, update, and modify the data. Now, let's talk about NoSQL. Contrary to SQL, a NoSQL database doesn't require a schema or self-describing. Its documents are JSON documents. These are complete entities that one can readily read and understand. NoSQL utilizes a wide variety of data models, which are high performance and non-relational databases. These databases are easy to use, give scalable performance, strong resilience, and wide availability. What is the difference between the two? SQL versus NoSQL. So both these data structures are having pros and cons to each other. First, in language. SQL databases are a structured query language for managing and manipulating the data. At one side, it is extremely powerful, versatile, and widely used option available. But on the other side, it is very restrictive. In SQL, you use predefined schemas to examine the structure of data, and it need to follow the same structure. And any change in the data would be very disruptive and difficult. A NoSQL database, on the other hand, has a dynamic schema for unstructured data, and the data can be stored in many ways. It has no restrictions like in SQL. You can create documents without predefining their structure. Every document can have their own unique structure and add any numbers of fields, and syntax can vary on each database. Next is scalability. SQL databases are vertically scalable. It means that you can increase the loads on a single server by increasing CPU, RAM, or SSD. And on the other hand, NoSQL databases are horizontally scalable. This means that you can handle the more traffic by simply adding more servers to the database. NoSQL is more preferable for large and constantly emerging datasets due to ability to become larger. Next is the difference in structure. SQL databases are table-based, and on the other hand, NoSQL databases are document-based. Examples of RDBMS. First, we have the Oracle database. It is an RDMS system from Oracle Corporation. The software is built around the relational database framework. It allows data objects to be accessed by users using SQL language. Oracle is a completely scalable RDMS architecture, which is widely used all over the world. And one of the top-notch company that use Oracle database is the Wells Fargo and Company, a top-notch national bank company. Next, we have the MySQL, a relational database management system based on SQL. And one of the top tech companies that use MySQL database is the Netflix. And next on our RDBMS list is the Microsoft SQL Server that is used by top retail company called CarMax. Now let's move forward to NoSQL database examples. First on our list is the Oracle NoSQL database that is used by a top-tier company called Amazon. Next non-relational database is Apache HBase that is used by a top company called JP Morgan Chase. Next example of our non-relational database is the IBM Domino that is used by the American Red Cross. And that ends our topic. Until our next video. This is Vincent Zamora signing off.